Hey guys, this is what my brother Carson got me for Christmas. He couldn't wait to give it to me until he was going to give it to me on Christmas, but he couldn't wait and he was excited about it. This is from Build-A-Bear. It's Pikachu. And it says this. There's different phrases. And yeah, that's the phrases. This is from Build-A-Bear. Even though it's not a bear, it's Pokemon. They have different types of stuffed animal things at Build-A-Bear. So please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please, I need 50 subscribers to live stream. Happy Sunday. Smash the like button. Give a thumbs up. Keep notification bell on. Like and subscribe. Comment. And follow. Have a happy Sunday. Before we leave, let's just do this one last time. And yeah, so thanks for everything. I had 44 subscribers, but someone unsubscribed, but please subscribe. If you want to see me live stream, then please don't unsubscribe. Thank you.